Hello and welcome back to Large Family Favor. I'm Tatiana, and in today's video I thought I'd bring you along while I make and put together these busy bags for my toddler and my preschooler. And we're gonna jump right in here. I've got these bags from Dollar Tree, and I can link my last video for you where I did a Dollar Tree haul along with Target. These bags were pretty durable, and as you can see, I'm stuffing them with little construction toys for my little boy. He is my preschooler, and I know he's really gonna enjoy this. Now here we have the dollhouse set. Choosing the yellow bag. I think my little toddler would really like the yellow one. So I'm just gonna pop these out and place them in the bag. She will be able to use her imagination and play is what I really need for her to do, while I give instructions and lessons to the older ones. And that is what these busy bags are for, is to keep the little ones occupied for just a few moments while mama get things going. Here is a pencil set with an eraser, some stickers. Definitely do not put the sharpener in there. That is just an accident waiting to happen. They're so little, and so I definitely don't want that to be a concern while I am delivering the lectures. And don't do like I did. As you can see, I actually tore the stickers. But the good thing was they are stickers, so it just stuck back to the paper really great, and I don't think my little boy would even notice. But here he has a chance on this notepad to practice his letters, his numbers, do a little bit of drawing, anything he'd like to do. And you can see even later on I have another one that I put together for my little girl, my toddler. She is really into drawing, guys. She's like, my other girls like to draw too, actually, but she is one that just started so young with her drawing. I have a pocket folder here, and this one is with the countries, the continents, and the map. Guys, so you don't have to break the bank for homeschool, and I really would like for you all to know that there is a season for everything, and there may be a season where you can purchase a little bit more of an expensive item, you know, or go with that theme of all wooden toys, or the Rudolph method or the Montessori method. But so here I figured if he pops these out himself, he would enjoy it better. So I chose not to do it. And this here, what I'm going to do is cut these out and use them as control cards, kind of like a Montessori style. There you go. So I'm going to put that in the bag as well. And now this sticker really was just getting to me, and it took forever to take it off, but I finally did it. Now we're moving on to the alphabet felt fun cards, and this one is quite easy. My little boy would just basically hear the sound, the beginning sound of each animal, and put it right on the letters. And again, I'm not even going to pop them out. I think they would like to do that. It adds a little bit more fun and excitement to the project. And literally, you can do a lot with a little bit. Here, I actually didn't count right, and I didn't purchase a bag, so I just used a simple Ziploc bag so that my daughter will be able to put her things away nice and neat once she's completed. Yeah, eraser thief. Yeah, as you can see, the assistant has made it back into another video. And here you go, guys. I've completed what I'd like to do for this week. These are my busy bags for this week. And here is the bag that I purchased from Target. I believe it was for $3 at the dollar spot. And I'm just going to collect them in here and disperse them come Monday. So I'm just doing a little bit of planning ahead to make my week for next week run a little bit smoother. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, share with friends, and leave comments. I will see you in the next video. God bless you all. Bye-bye.